In this video, we are going to see how to make money online. I shall be sharing you how you can start that, and we shall be trying to find the answer of these three questions. How difficult it is to start? Once you start, how long it takes for you to get paid, and efforts needed to maintain. For every income stream, there is a learning curve and there is a success growth curve. So you have to follow the principles, you have to follow the strategies in order to make it happen. That we will see in this video, that what are the different challenges and different routes you can opt for. But one principle you should understand, that people are paying for you for the value that you are going to contribute in their life. So you have to be very unique, you have to bring some good ideas and bring the innovation in giving the information that you are going to contribute. One principle you should understand while making money online, that people will pay you for the value that you are going to give them. So you have to be very valuable in terms of the time, in terms of the quality, in terms of the content. So if you are giving some value, definitely you will get paid out of it. To me, the quickest way to make money online is freelancing. There are certain websites that provide you a mechanism to create your profile, advertise you, and provide you some small to medium projects that you can win based on your skill set and experience. Some of the famous platforms are Upwork, FlexJobs, and Solid Gigs. All these platforms are reliable and trustworthy. The beauty of these platforms is that once you get the project, your total amount is escrowed or taken by this platform and kept it reserved. So once your project is delivered successfully and your client agrees to pay you, so your funds are released to you. So in this way, your client is secured in terms of the work and the quality delivery, and you are secured in terms of the funds availability. So in terms of the difficulty, it's not that difficult. It all depends on your skill set. In terms of maintenance, yes, you can maintain it if you are skillful. So you can take projects one after another, and how quickly it is start, you can immediately start it. It all depends on your marketing, on your branding, how you make your gig on these platforms, and how you advertise yourself. So it's a very much doable. Another famous way to earn money online is starting your YouTube channel. It's very easy. It's super fast to create your YouTube channel, record a film and upload it. But there are certain conditions you need to meet before you get monetized. There are various ways to earn through a YouTube channel. For example, you can create paid memberships, you can promote others' products and create affiliate links in your videos, or you can create sponsored content. But the most famous way is by enabling Google AdSense for your YouTube channel. In order for you to get monetized for the Google AdSense ad, there are conditions like you have to have 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours watch time. So once you met these conditions, you get monetized. Google AdSense ad will start earning in the start or in the middle of your videos, and you start getting paid out of this. Now let's see about those three questions. In terms of starting, yes, it's easy to start. In terms of monetization, yes, it requires a consistent effort. It requires you to be creative, and maintenance, yes, it requires a consistent effort to maintain so that you can keep your users intact. So it's a little bit challenging, but if you are creative, if you enjoy filming videos and bringing some valuable content, then definitely this platform is very much suitable for you. The next online money making idea is about the dropshipping business. Dropshipping means that you do not have the products, but you are selling on behalf of others and you are making your commission out of it. Some famous dropshipping platforms are Shopify or the Amazon, which provides you to create your digital store. So you can create your own store on them and you can advertise some products of others, and once the order is placed, so you just your role will be just to pass the order to the right person who is providing those products, and the product will be delivered by those suppliers or the vendors. So in this way, dropshipping is also one of the good way where people are earning thousands of dollars. But the associated challenge is that in order to bring or rank up your product, you need a time, you need a SEO, you need advertisement, and definitely you need an investment in this, and it takes time for your product to come up in the searches of the Amazon or the Shopify. So associated challenges are a little bit huge, but definitely it's doable, and there are hundreds or thousands of people who are already doing this. Next online making money idea is about taking surveys. So if you have some spare time, you can register on some platforms where you can get the survey, and you get money out of them. Branded surveys is one way to earn money online by taking surveys. It's also favorite for many people. They have sign up bonus, competitions, loyalty program, and competitive payouts. You can earn up to $5 for each survey that you complete. Another website promoting online surveys is Swagbucks. According to Google, Swagbucks is a legitimate and safe website that rewards its users for completing various tasks and activities such as taking surveys, watching videos, playing games, and shopping online. It has been in operation since 2008 and has paid out millions of dollars in rewards to its users. Another way to make money online is by creating the blogs. Blogs are an amazing way to inform others about your tools, about your skill set, about your experience. So you can bring valuable content to the users through your blogs or your website. You can advertise your products or services. If you don't have your products and services, you can go for the affiliate marketing where you are promoting others and you get commission out of their sales and services. And even if you don't have products or you do not have any affiliate marketing, you can go for enabling AdSense in your blogs. So when people come to your website or your blog, they click on the AdSense link, you get paid out of it. So blogs provide you an immense way. There are different routings for the monetization that you can enable for you. It all depends how you want to use it. In terms of starting the blog, it's very easy. You just need knowledgeable exposure about some topic. It's easy to maintain. You can keep on updating them, but definitely getting monetization requires a little time depending on your traffic, how much traffic you have, how much social influence on the people you have. So it's easy to do, but it requires a consistent effort to maintain it. Next idea to make money online is about publishing the book. For me, it's an amazing and interesting way. If you have knowledge on some topic, why don't you put all the information in form of a book and you publish it? For example, Miss Charlene Megan, when she got knee injury, she was on a bed rest for a month. So what she did, she gathered all information on the personal development and personal growth. She created all information in form of the book and she published it. So once she published her book on the Amazon, Kindle, and many other platforms, it has created an online money-making stream for her. So in this way, she is utilizing her knowledge and it has generated an income stream for her. So it's an amazing way. You should also try if you are knowledgeable on some topic or some area. So you should gather all information and try to publish in the form of the book. Another way of making money online is by becoming a virtual tutor. After the pandemic, online teaching, online certification or online coaching has become very popular. So if you are expert in some domain knowledge or some area or some tools or skills you are expert in, so you can go ahead by sharing your knowledge in form of the training or the videos, or you can get your related audience and you get paid out of it. There are a lot of platforms which provide you an opportunity to become an online tutor. So you can immediately start making money online by registering them and grabbing some students. It all depends on how you market yourself. For example, your intro video should be impressive enough to educate the people what type of the value addition you can do in their life or in their profession. So in this way you can grab the students, and definitely you can earn through sharing your knowledge. Some famous platforms are My Private Tutor or Preply. Both these platforms are very good, where you can register as a tutor and you can find the right students for you, and definitely it will generate some income stream. So in terms of the difficulty, it's very easy to register, and in terms of the maintenance, you don't require any maintenance. You just keep teaching and you can get more students. And in terms of monetization, definitely you don't need any monetization. The moment you get your students, you get the people enroll in your class or in your course, so you get money out of it. So it's one of the quickest way of getting paid or earning through online. The only thing is that you should be skillful enough to, and you should be able to give value to your students or the learners. Another way of making money online is by user testing. Usertesting.com is an amazing website which provides an opportunity for the entrepreneurs to get a real feedback from the testers, and it provides an opportunity to the testers to get money out of their time by testing others' products. How it works is it provides you small tasks which you need to perform on utilizing other people's products or services. So you go to their website as per your assigned task, and when you complete those tasks you get money out of it. There are different type of the tasks. For example, there could be some searching any product from some catalog, or there could be some idea to find a particular brand of the purse from a website. So in this way the entrepreneurs get idea how user friendly their website is, or how difficult it is to find their product on a website. So and for you you get money out of it. So definitely it's an amazing platform. I'm going to share one video in the comment section which will give you a step-by-step detail of how user testing works, and definitely you can get leverage out of this. In conclusion, I have shared you few money making ideas. Definitely there are a lot more, but I have tried to gather some famous money making ideas which are proven and which are authenticated by the people, and even I have tried myself. So feel free to contact me in case you are new. I am Syed Farhan Ashraf. I record videos on making money online, generating passive income streams, personal growth. So if you have liked my video and it has bringing some value to you, please like it, subscribe it, and let me know which money making idea resonates to you, so that I can know, and let me know how we can improve our videos. Thank you very much.